First we will see what is clipper and what is the function of clipper. In a very short way, in electronics, a clipper is a circuit designed to prevent a signal from exceeding a predetermined reference voltage level. And a clipper does not distort the remaining part of the applied waveform. Now let us see Zener diode clipping circuit. The use of a bias voltage means that the amount of the voltage waveform that is clipped off can be accurately controlled. But one of the main disadvantages of using voltage bias diode clipping circuit is that they need an additional EMF battery source, which may or may not be a problem. One easy way of creating bias diode clipping circuits without the need for additional EMF supply is to use the Zener diode. So we can use the Zener diode as a clipping circuit. As we know, the Zener diode is another type of diode that has been specifically manufactured to operate in its reverse bias breakdown region, and as such can be used for a voltage regulation or Zener diode clipping application. In the forward region, the Zener acts just like an ordinary silicon diode with a forward voltage drop of 0.7 volt when conducting. However, in the reverse bias region, the voltage is blocked until the Zener diode's breakdown voltage is reached. At this point, the reverse current through the Zener increases sharply, but the Zener voltage Vz across the device remains constant even if the Zener current Iz varies. Then we can put this Zener action to good effect by using them for clipping a waveform. Here we will see the Zener diode clipping. The Zener diode is acting like a bias diode clipping circuit with the bias voltage being equal to the Zener breakdown voltage. In this circuit, during the positive half of the waveform, the Zener diode is reverse biased, so the waveform is clipped at the Zener voltage VZD1. During the negative half cycle, the Zener acts like a normal diode with its usual 0.7 volt junction value. In this way, you can see the Zener diode is acting as a clipping circuit without using the EMF of battery. We can also develop the idea further by using the Zener diode reverse voltage characteristics to clip both the half of a waveform using series connected back-to-back Zener diode. In this, we use two Zener diode. Now let's see how. Now take a look of full wave Zener diode clipping circuit. The output waveform will be clipped at the Zener voltage plus the 0.7 volt forward voltage drop of the other diode. So for example, the positive half cycle will be clipped at the sum of Zener diode GD1 plus 0.7 volt from ZD2 and vice versa for the negative half cycle. Zener diodes are manufactured with a wide range of voltages and can be used to give different voltage reference on each half cycle, the same as above. Zener diodes are available with Zener breakdown voltage Vz ranging from 2.4 to 33 volts with a typical tolerance of 1 to 5%. Note that once conducting in the reverse breakdown region, full current will flow through the Zener diode, so a suitable current limiting resistor R1 must be chosen. I hope you understand the Zener diode as a clipper circuit with single and the series Zener diode. Now let's look about the application of the clipper. First, it is used in the TV transmitters and receivers. Second, it is used as a noise limiters. Third, protection of different circuits. Fourth, it is used in the different wave generation. Thank you.